How to install BlackShark for live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install BlackShark for live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, all you need is a file manager application which will let you install APKs and unzip files. I am using FX File Manager. You are free to use any file manager application which you want to. So this here is the main page of FX File Manager. Go ahead and download the files which are linked in the description of the video, and if you download them on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. First of all, if you have a non-pixel device, you do need to install the Google Wallpapers APK. So let us go ahead and install Google Wallpapers APK first of all. And of course, I am running a super secure operating system called MIUI, which does make me wait 10 seconds and make me read all this terms and conditions before I can select okay. So next up, we are going to install the Google Wallpapers application. Once this is done, we need to go back to our folder where we have the zip file. So this here is the zip file which has the BlackShark for live wallpapers. And what we need to do next is press and hold on this, make sure it is highlighted, three dot menu on the top right here, and select open with. On the next window, we are going to select archive extractor. This is going to list the contents of this file. Three dot menu on the top right one more time and select extract here. Once this is done, we have a folder with the same name. Go inside this folder, install the BlackShark for live wallpaper. Once this is done, we can go to our home screen, go to the wallpapers application, open this app, and it is going to ask us for permission, allow access, allow one more time. Scroll down, live wallpapers, BlackShark 4, here it is, select it, set wallpaper, home and lock screen, both. There it is, working like a boss on my home screen. Let us check out if it is working on the lock screen or not. So it is not, because this is super secure MIUI. How do you fix this? All you need to do is open the camera application, go into the video mode, record a small video. Once you have recorded the video, go ahead and stop it. It can be of any duration, 1 second, 2 second, absolutely fine. Then the next thing you need to do is open the gallery application here and go into the albums section, go into your videos, select the video, three dot menu on the bottom right, and say set video wallpaper, apply, set both. Once this is done, go back to your wallpapers application and apply the wallpaper one more time, and this time around it should work on your lock screen as well. There it is, working on the lock screen. We do have a static image, but that is how it is supposed to be. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install the BlackShark for live wallpaper on any Android device without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.